Let's do some sketchy shit. Safe to say I figured out where our ants are coming from, babe.
Three, two, one.
Wobbly now. This is a bad idea. Come down. Come down eventually, just not right now. Alright, I don't really like how close this is to the house for how this is going to come apart. So we're going to try some, give myself a hernia thing here. Initially my goal was to take that wall out or take the lower supports off so it would lean away from the house and then just topple, but then I think once it topples, the bottom is going to shoot back into the house. So that would not be ideal. So we're going to try a little something here. That didn't work. I don't know. The joy is I'm trying to be as quiet as possible because Tanya's still sleeping and she's right there in that room, and that's where we're at. So keep working at it. I mean, it's definitely weak. It's bowing. It's just bending in one direction, twisting. This is super sketchy. I mean, I'm genuinely surprised this thing lasted as long as it did. With no upkeep. It's probably been 12 years this thing's been up. Not built to code or anything. Not built with pressure treated wood other than the lower, what it sits on. But yeah, it has done its service. This is just going to take one. I'm going to end up taking one thing out, and the whole thing's going to topple at like an unexpected time. She's going. I'm worried about that part kicking up is what I'm trying to avoid. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And now I've got a mess to clean up. That's future me's problem.